What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Coin Build channel where we talk about personal finance, crypto, real estate, and investing, and so much more, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Henry, and we're going to talk about this guy right here. So this is what I got in the mail the other day, and I talked about this on my last video. If you haven't checked out that last video, make sure to hit it up somewhere up here. But thank you so much for joining me, guys. Make sure to judo chop that like button and consider subscribing to see more content just like this, guys. It helps out with the algorithm, so definitely check that out, guys. So what are we going to talk about? Last time I left off with this little deal here, this envelope. What is this? For those of you who know, this is the crypto.com debit card, and I just got it in the mail the other day. So it's still fresh, guys. I have not opened it up as of yet. So we're going to unbox this puppy. We're going to talk about crypto.com and why it's the bridge currently between the current financial system and the crypto world. Something that I feel is actually absolutely necessary for now to move crypto adoption to where we want it to go, guys. I am very bullish on crypto. I think it's the future of money. I think it's the future of finances. So we talk a lot about crypto on this channel. So if you like this type of content, definitely stick around, guys. Thanks again. Let's get right to it. So we're gonna pop this open. So check it out. This is just so satisfying to me. I'm just gonna put this right on the mic. Oh, that sounds so good. That's pretty sweet. Great packaging. Very, very, very cool. Check it out. We've got this guy, MCO. Woo! It just slides out, guys. Look at that. It slides out. Very, very cool. There's a little letter here. Thank you. Two simple words, but they have our entire team behind them. From our humble beginnings until today, customers like you that reserve their cards have demonstrated great faith in Crypto.com and share in our vision of cryptocurrency in every wallet. Today, I'm delighted to present you with your MCO Visa card, Jade Green. That's the one that I picked. That requires a 500 MCO stake for 6 months. When I actually staked it, it was actually worth about $6 a coin. So that was about $3 grand, guys. So that was quite a bit of money. But I'm bullish on crypto, as you guys know. So we're going to take a look. This is amazing, man. I'm telling you. The benefits on this card are pretty cool. And it's a metal card. Very, very high quality card. Very nice packaging. So we're going to go ahead and pull up this website for you guys. Crypto.com here on my iPad. We're going to take a look here. So what is Crypto.com exactly? It's formerly known as MCO or Monaco. They started off with this debit card product. Essentially, that gives you cash back like a credit card, which I absolutely love. Now, I normally use my credit card for pretty much everything, right? To get the cash back and the rewards. But this is definitely new territory, right? The big deal with this is that you can spend your crypto in a debit card anywhere Visa is accepted. That's the crazy part, right? So we have the website here. Buy the best place to buy, sell, and pay with crypto. Now, I agree with parts of this. Very, very cool. I do buy my crypto through crypto.com, and also Voyager is another one that I use. Voyager is a little bit quicker to purchase because you can do it pretty much instantly. You can do an ACH transfer from your bank and then trade instantly. Now, with crypto.com, you do have to, if you don't want to pay fees, you have to transfer it from your bank. You have to push it from your bank into crypto.com. So that can take like 3 to 5 business days. So it's not as instant as Voyager. But these two are kind of the ones that I'm looking at currently. No fees. So that's the crazy thing. So they've got an exchange product. Everything is app-centric. You cannot log in through the website at all into your account. So everything's on the app. 45 plus coins at true cost, no fees, no markup. That is amazing. Love that about that. The cards, the big deal here. This is going to drive crypto adoption and really, really accelerate that. And currently, I'm telling you, this is what we need to bridge the gap between fiat and crypto. That's just, in my opinion, a necessary step to get to broader adoption. So crypto.com is really doing an amazing job at moving crypto forward. Now, technically, when you're using the card, you're not spending crypto. You're basically converting crypto into fiat and then spending that USD or whatever currency. Currently in the US and Singapore, they're looking at the European Union, EU, coming very, very soon. So there's different tiers to the cards, guys. So check that out. The other portion, and I alluded to this in my last video, how can you earn up to 12% on your stable coins, guys? This is what I'm using to earn interest on my crypto. So really, really great. Lots of great assets that are a part of this. We'll talk about that as well. Credit, so you can get a loan on your crypto. So let's say you have Bitcoin and you're bullish on Bitcoin, you can put that Bitcoin up as collateral and take out a crypto loan in fiat. And what that does for you is it prevents a taxable event. So you can have access to your funds, right? Pay them back in fiat, but you're not creating a taxable event. That's what credit is for, or taking out a crypto loan in fiat. So really, really great. It's over collateralized. So the risk is very low for crypto.com. And this is also how they get you that interest, right? Because of the lending portion, but it's over collateralized. In other words, the person puts up 100% of their Bitcoin, they get 50% value back, or whatever that percentage is. So it's always over collateralized, which is great. Also, you have this thing called Crypto Pay, where you can shop online using your crypto.com account, essentially, which is pretty cool. Again, doing so much for the crypto space in bringing adoption, which is what we all need, and I'm always for that. Now, obviously, crypto is supposed to be decentralized, right? That is the ultimate goal, but this is, like I said, a necessary step to get there. And then they also have an invest portion where you can put in for automated investing. I'm not using that portion of crypto.com at all currently. I haven't used Pay as well, but or the credit even. But I'm mainly using it for the earn and the debit card, which I'm going to start shifting some of my spending onto this card because I think it's a great product. The way I'm actually going to do it, I'm not actually going to use crypto. I'm actually going to deposit fiat into this and then use it for the cash back. Because currently, if you go into here, you can see the tiers. The tiers are pretty cool. So there's a black, or obsidian is what they call it, 5% cash back on your purchases. That's a pretty insane amount of rebate. Now, it requires a big stake into MCO, which most people, to be honest, aren't going to be able to afford that much. It's quite a bit. And then you have Frosted Rose Gold, 4% cash back. You get some rebates. Icy White, which is the same. Also the Royal Indigo, which is the same tier as the green, just different colors. So I can get 3% cash back, or really, it's really an MCO tokens, all right, is what you get. But also 100% rebate on Spotify and Netflix. That's pretty cool. Something that I already spend money on that I'm going to get essentially crypto back in that amount. And then you do have the Ruby Steel, which is still a great 2% back on all spending, 100% rebate on Spotify. That only requires a 50 MCO stake, which is not a huge chunk. There is a free version as well, 1% cash back. This one is made out of plastic, so it's not that premium feel on the card, but really, really cool. Here's the tiers right here, so you can see what's required. Now, 50,000 MCO is a huge chunk of money right now. Even 5,000 MCO is like $30,000 or so. MCO's dropped a little bit. It's trading just above $5 currently. But you can see the Ruby Steel. There's the 150 MCO. That's not that bad. And most of you are probably going to be starting off with that. You can upgrade later if you stake more. So that is an option. You have to contact support for that. But again, the free version, 1% back. But I mean, in my opinion, the 3% cashback with the ruby, or the green and the purple cards are probably the best value. Now, it's still almost about 3,000, 2,500, whatever it is, currently stake in MCO, but it's only for 6 months, and then you can actually cash out and keep the benefits. So 3% back on all spending on that card, 100% back Spotify, 100% back on Netflix. Really, really great. You also get lounge key access to certain airport lounges. That's kind of cool. And then you get no fee ATM monthly withdrawal. So I can actually, on this card, take out $800 at any ATM fee free. So they're actually paying for that essentially. Interbank exchange rates, I believe that's for like overseas stuff. If you're taking out money overseas or spending it overseas, internationally. So those are the tiers here. I'm telling you, man, crypto.com, I like the project, okay? They have MCO tokens. They also have what's called CRO or CRO. But let me go, I'm going to show you the earn tab. So this is where I talked about on the last video, where you can earn up to 12% interest on your stable coin. So your USDC, your Tether USDT, your DAI, I mean, you can literally, and this is going to require 500 or more MCO stake. And that's why I said that middle card, the one that I got, the green one, is probably your best value because you get more benefits with the 500 MCO stake. So check it out. You do have to lock it up for 3 months, okay, to get the highest tier interest. So this is going to be more for your longer term savings, your emergency funds, things like that. But even at flexible, check this out. You got 8%, guys, on your stable coins where you can take it out at any point, right? 8% interest on your stable coins. That's insane, guys. And up to 12% for a 3-month holding period or a stake on that. 1 month you get 10% per year. These are just crazy numbers, guys. You can also earn on Bitcoin, Ethereum, things like that. It's a little bit lower. I believe it's 5.5% currently on Bitcoin for a 3-month holding period. But look at this, CRO. So this is obviously a crypto.com product or a coin, but you can make 18% on CRO. That is incredible, guys. So definitely check it out. Remember, do your own research. This is not financial advice, okay, guys? I'm just a random dude on YouTube. But there are some amazing returns that you can get with crypto.com. If you're interested, go ahead and hit up that description box below. I've got a referral link for you guys. So you get $50 worth of MCO, and I get $50 worth of MCO whenever you sign up and stake 50 MCO. So definitely check that out below. That also helps out the channel to pump out more content like this, guys. But tons of coins you can see right here that are supported in crypto earn. So making interest on your crypto. You're essentially becoming your own bank. All right, guys, this is what banks do, right? They're lending their money and making interest, so they're making that spread, and they're not paying you anything. The big banks aren't giving you anything, 0.1%, but with crypto you can become essentially your own bank and earn interest on your crypto and stablecoin. So that's super exciting for me. Now, again, none of this is really backed by anything, okay? That's just the bottom line. You can lose everything. There is more risk in this, right, than fiat USD, right? Because you have FDIC insurance or FINRA or whatever, right? You've got those protections. Crypto does not have that. Even stable coins do not offer any kind of insurance, okay? So there is a risk with this. So it is a little bit riskier than, let's say, having $1 US. But a stable coin, as far as volatility risk, is not there because it's pegged to the dollar. You're not going to see these wild swings in the price of that crypto. So that's one thing you don't have to worry about with stable coins. That is a good thing. Now, definitely check out this crypto.com project, guys. I love it. I'm using it right now, and I'm going to use this card now as well and do some purchases with this. So this is awesome. Definitely check it out as well. Thank you so much for watching. And as a reminder, make sure to fuel your hustle. We'll see you next time. Bam!